Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri. And as you can see, Nifty is simply bullish since morning and it has took support from every bottom. So now Nifty is pretty bullish. So you can make longs at this particular support, which is like 700 is a good support, acting as a good support, and it has consolidated so much last like yesterday and today. So I think it is ready to give a breakout of this 750 and at a day high. So what you can do, this 720 you can make your SL and you can play this. So I believe it can touch 800 level. 24 800 you can make your target, or 810. This is must be possible, 810. So 24 810 is my target. So I think it can make a recovery and give a bullish move. It is already bullish, and in this candle slow you can make your SL. And I'm already in a long side. I have played 2 times in Nifty along, in the morning only when it opens and giving a this candle above this candle's high. I have played, and 750 I have booked my profit. And secondly, I have again when it's like taking a support of this 24,680, so I have made a long. And Bank Nifty I have played a long rather than going in the short, because shorting I am not comfortable in the shorts. So I have played in this candle's high, like 450. I have played a long side. So I am already in a long. I am going to trail it because I think this is a perfect support, where yesterday it took a support and giving a like bull move. So I am expecting 50,900 and 51,000 again. So this may be a bullish reversal I am looking for. I am not looking for a selling right now. It has done a selling in the morning, and I was waiting because my like setup is not giving me a trade in this Bank Nifty, because my view is bullish and it is giving a selling since morning. So I was waiting once it's give a closing of this 450 again and making a double bottom. This is a double bottom if you find a double bottom. So I have played this double bottom, and right now I am trailing it because it has given a breakout of this W. And right now I'm just believe it will be going to touch 50,950 and 980 level. So you can trail as per your risk appetite, and if it is going to Nifty is going to sustain at 24,800, 10 is the level, key level, then Bank Nifty is ready to give a breakout of this 51,000 and more. 340 points is more to go. So it's a 0-0 setup, and you can take a wait for this like 50,580 is the point. If it is going to sustain 50,580 above, then it's a bullish move. I am expecting more recovery in the Bank Nifty, and it can reach yesterday's high, which is 51,000. You can take your first target, and then 51,000 above you can take your trail your stop loss for 51,200, 300. This must be possible, but yeah, today it is having a expiry, so maybe move will be going to be a very volatile move, because due to Nifty is giving me a confidence in the long side. So I just used to play this buy on dip, in like this is the second time I am playing a buy on dip in Nifty. Still I am believe it will be going to touch this 24,800. This must be possible. So this is a retracement of buying. Don't get confused yourself in the selling. If you really want to choose, so you need to switch to Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty has recovered from the bottom. So I think selling has done today, and bottom is already done. So I think there is no logic to go on the selling side. Rather than going on selling, you need to choose the stronger. So strongest I think Nifty is much more pretty bullish, and you can make longs because it is having an expiry as today, like tomorrow. So we will get a opportunity to trail our stop loss for more targets, like 24,900 is also possible by tomorrow. And Bank Nifty, it's little bit risky because it is having a expiry. So what you can do, below 580, like 570, you can take your SL. And I have taken a call from here, so like my SL was that time like 50,000, 380, 370 was SL. I have taken a call 450 breakout, which is the same like point where I have taken a call yesterday. So when I caught this, like it is making a double bottom sort of, and it was bullish yesterday. So this is the reason I have taken a call from this bottom, and I think it will be going to recover. Like gave a target of yesterday high, and then this is a like round number now, like 51,000. So maybe it will be going to take a rejection again, or maybe give a more upside. So it's totally depends on the Nifty, what Nifty used to do at that particular time. If Nifty is going to resist 24,800, so Nifty and Bank Nifty can both can give a profit booking for that particular point, like 51,000 in Bank Nifty and like 24,800 in Nifty, and both are going to give a breakout of above this 24,800 and 51,000. Then more recovery will be possible, and we can see like 51,340 is my like final target, and then 24,900 is possible in Nifty. So as per this, like Nifty and Bank Nifty both are ready to give a upside. So this is a buying retracement, so you can make a entry. It is again giving you a entry level, so 580 below you can take your SL and make a entry. So this is a perfect bullish in Bank Nifty right now. Bank Nifty is ready to recover, so you will be getting a risk to reward very much favorable. Like risk is very low and reward is very much high. So if you really want to play this 0-0 setup in like today's setup, so you can play this Bank Nifty right now. And if you can see, HDFC Bank is already in making a bottom sort of, so maybe it will be going to recover from here. And Kotak Bank is also ready to take a retracement of this 20 moving average and ready to give a upside. So I don't think it will be going to give a breakdown or something. Our market is totally bullish, just to make people wipe